So our first step is to measure our hemp cords for our tassels, okay? And I went ahead and did one section here that you can see. And what I did is I measured each of these strings 12 inches long, okay? And you want to cut as many as you want for the thickness of your tassel. So I'm cutting about 30 ropes per tassel. Now a very easy way you can do this is you're going to take your ruler and we're actually going to wrap our string around the length of our ruler like this. So once you have your ruler wrapped, you just want to slide the end off of the ruler. Make sure you hold it so you don't lose the end. And then just take your scissors and cut right down the middle of those ropes. Okay, now we can get rid of our ruler. You're going to take the ropes, fold them evenly in half, and snip right in the middle once again. And now you have cut the ropes you need for one tassel. Okay, so once you have your ropes cut, we're going to form our first tassel. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring in another string that's about 12 inches long. And I'm going to place this string right in the middle of my other ropes, and I'm going to tie this rope in a knot to secure the bundle of ropes for our tassel together. Okay, so I just tie a knot right in the middle, and then I'm going to double that knot over to tie a double knot. Now I can fold my ropes in half, and now we're going to tie another string around these ropes right underneath that first knot to bundle these together even more so it looks more like a tassel. So I'm just going to take that other string and place it right behind the ropes, and I'm going to wrap this string around all my red ropes about 5 times. Okay, once you have that wrapped a few times, go ahead and tie that wrapping knot in another double knot. Okay, just your standard knot, and double it over for extra security. We're going to trim off the 2 ends that we used in that wrapped section. You can just trim them right off at the knot. And now our first tassel is complete. Okay, so one more time, take your bundle of ropes and attach another string right in the center of those ropes to hold them all together. Fold all those blue ropes in half, and we're going to bundle them together and attach another rope to form our tassel. Take that piece of hemp cord, and I like to wrap it around the ropes about 5 times. Then just secure the rope with another double knot. Your scissors and trim off the ends of the wrapped section. Once you have all 6 of your tassels done, we're going to attach them to the base of our garland. Go ahead and lay down a long piece of our hemp cord to act as the base of our garland. So we're going to tie all of our tassels around this long piece of rope. And I recommend going ahead and just leaving it attached to the roll so that we don't cut our rope too short or too long depending on how many tassels we're adding. So just keep this connected for now. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the beads I want to use on my garland and go ahead and slide them onto the string. Just like that. And now it's time to start attaching my tassels between my beads. Okay, so once I have that base for my garland secured and I have all my beads on it, I'm going to start attaching my tassels from the left to the right. And I'm going to make sure I slide the beads down that I want in front of my first tassel. Then I'm going to take my very first tassel and I'm going to take those 2 pieces of string that we left on our tassel. And with these strings, I'm just going to tie them right onto the base of the garland with another double knot. Then you can take your scissors and trim off the ends. Like that. Now you can slide the next beads into place. Okay, so once you have all 6 of your tassels attached and your beads on as well, you can go ahead and measure 12 inches from the last set of beads and cut it right off the roll. Then go ahead and secure your beads into place by just tying this in a couple double knots. And now our garland is all finished and you can hang this up wherever you would like.